Hey, here's a real quick little tutorial about how to check out a site if you want to look at it on mobile and you don't have a phone handy. Basically, you're going to do like the two-finger click and then go to inspect right there, and it's going to pop up a window like this. And on the side up here, we have our dockside selection. It's kind of pointless to have it down there. Some people like it. I prefer it on the side. If you're looking at the phone, you want to see the whole thing. This will allow you to select different sizes. This is a tablet. You can actually go in here and edit these and say, hey, actually show me what it looks like on the phone. It just gives you a better idea for how it's going to behave on different devices. But what I wanted to show you is the lookbook. And let's jump over to the lookbook. Kind of rearranged these grids a little bit, so we've got like kind of a featured image, and then we can do a little gallery. And then I've got them flipping as they go down the page, so it's just a little more dynamic than what it was before with just grid, grid, grid. Um, and then what's really cool is you go to this sort of a view. I've got it set up so that the larger image is at the top for each of the sections. But that's a little pointer there. And then this goes back home. So yeah, looking forward to wrapping this up. Next step.